Hello everyone, I'm back with a new lesson today. I hope you all are staying healthy. In today's video, we are going to talk about 10 common and interesting English idioms. Idioms are very important part of English language. Okay, the more you learn, the better you'll become. Okay, the more you learn about English idioms, the better English you'll have. Okay, and it's very important to learn some idioms, okay, to improve your English vocabulary. To modify your English, it's important to learn idioms and phrases. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you 10 interesting idioms. So let's get started. Our idiom number 1 is hard nut to crack. Hard nut to crack. Okay, we use this to talk about a difficult situation or a difficult task. Difficult situation or a difficult task. It means something is very difficult. Okay, something is very difficult. All right, hard nut to crack. For example, this math problem is a hard nut to crack. This math problem is a hard nut to crack. Means very difficult for you. I'm not able to do this work because this is a hard nut to crack. Okay, we use for difficult situation and for difficult task, we use this idiom, hard nut to crack. All right, next, piece of cake. Okay, here we are not talking about that cake for eating. Okay, piece of cake, this idiom means a simple task, easy task. If someone asks you, how was your exam? Okay, you can say the exam was a piece of cake. The exam was a piece of cake. Speaking in English is a piece of cake for me. Speaking in my mother tongue is a piece of cake for me. Okay, something which is very easy, we use piece of cake, we use this piece of cake to talk about something which is very easy to do or which is very easy to accomplish. So this is quite opposite. Piece of cake is quite opposite of the first one, hard nut to crack. Hard nut to crack means a difficult situation, a difficult task or a difficult situation. Piece of cake means a simple task, an easy work, okay, which doesn't require your efforts and much hard work. Okay, piece of cake. All right, next, cats and dogs. So the full phrase is it's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. What is the meaning of it's raining cats and dogs? Raining cats and dogs means it's raining heavily, very heavy rain. For example, you can use I can't go outside. I can't go outside because it's raining cats and dogs. Means it's raining heavily. Okay, I can't go outside. Okay, it's raining cats and dogs since yesterday. Since yesterday it's raining very heavily, very hard. So you can say it's raining cats and dogs. Not about animals. Okay, it's not talking about cats and dogs are fighting. Okay, here we are talking about idiom cats and dogs. It means raining heavily. Okay, next, hit the nail on the head. Okay, what does this mean? Hit the nail on the head. Okay, it means, okay, when someone is absolutely right, 100% right, you can say you have hit the nail on the head. You have hit the nail on the head means you are absolutely right. Okay, your answer or your opinion is absolutely right. So that time we can use hit the nail on the head instead of yes, you are right. All right, next, actions speak louder than words. Your actions are more important than your words. It doesn't matter what you speak. What matters is what you do. Suppose you have a friend and he always talks about helping people, always talks about helping people, but he doesn't practice that. He doesn't help others. So you can tell that person, hey, actions speak louder than words. Suppose you have two friends. Okay, for example, you have two friends and one friend, he always says that I'm going to work hard, I'm going to work hard, but he doesn't do. Okay, on the other hand, you have another friend who doesn't say about working hard, but he works hard. Okay, so your second friend knows the value, of actions speak louder than words. He works hard because he knows that actions speak louder than words. This idiom is very important and meaningful idiom. Okay, so let's see some more idioms. So here our idiom number 6 is once in a blue moon. once in a blue moon. Okay, what is the meaning of this idiom? It means something that happens rarely. Rarely means not constantly, not regularly, only sometimes. Only sometimes. For example, you can say, I watch movies once in a blue moon. Okay, I watch movies once in a blue moon. He cleans his room once in a blue moon. Means not always, not regularly, once in a blue moon. Okay, he is not a good player. He is not a good player. He performs well once in a blue moon. Not regularly, only sometimes. So once in a blue moon. Okay, next. 7. Pull someone's leg. Pull someone's leg means making fun of someone or teasing someone in a funny way. Okay. For example, don't be serious. Okay, don't be angry. He's just trying to pull your leg. Don't be angry. He is just trying to pull your leg. Means it's not a serious matter. You should not take it seriously. He is just teasing you. So you can use this, pulling someone's leg. Okay, my best friend always keeps on pulling my leg. It doesn't mean pulling your leg. It means making fun of you, teasing you. Okay, so that's the meaning. Next, under the weather. So this idiom, under the weather, you can use when you're not feeling well, when you're feeling sick. Okay, so instead of saying I am feeling sick, you can say I am feeling under the weather. Okay, for example, I didn't go to school yesterday as I was feeling under the weather. I didn't go to school yesterday as I was feeling under the weather. It means you are not feeling well, so that's the reason you didn't go to school yesterday. Okay, so you can use under the weather when you are sick or not well. Okay, next. This idiom, every cloud has a silver lining, is actually a positive idiom. Okay, we can use this. We can use this to encourage people, to motivate people. Okay, it means like every negative situation has something positive. Okay, every negative has something positive. Means maybe you are going through bad days or difficult days, but there are some positives. There are some positives in that negative situation. Okay, so we can use this to to encourage people when they are feeling sad, depressed. For example, don't be depressed. Every cloud has a silver lining. Focus on the positives rather than negatives. Okay, this is actually a very nice one. Every cloud has a silver lining. Okay, next, all in the same boat. All in the same boat. Okay, it means all people facing same problem, same situation. Okay, all are in the same situation, same problem. This all in the same boat is actually perfect idiom to talk about the present situation, current situation. Like we all are in the same boat. We all are in the same boat means we all are in the same boat due to this pandemic. We all are in the same boat due to this COVID-19. We all are thinking about how to overcome with this situation. Okay, how to overcome this pandemic. Another example we can give, like we all are in the same boat, we must help each other. Means we all are in the same situation, we all are in a difficult situation. Okay, so we should try to help each other. Okay, all right, so these are our 10 interesting English idioms, and I hope you have learned it. I hope you have enjoyed it. There are many English idioms. You can try to learn as much as possible. Okay, because when you learn idioms, you will get more vocabulary, you will learn new things. Okay, and it will help you to improve your English language. So keep practicing and keep improving your English language. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Until then, take care of yourself. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.